Hey, it's Ryan here. Just wanted to quickly cover my first week of cold calling. Five things here that have slowed down my life insurance cold calling. My first week of actually making dials on my cell phone and in my CRM. So, number one, by far and away, is just not feeling like calling anyone. Just not feeling pumped and in a good mood to call people. Maybe that's a product of eating like shit sometimes, even working out and making myself tired from working out, or woke up abruptly or a little too early in the morning. Fear of not having my script memorized. And there's also just a lack of clarity right now because I'm new at how many calls it's going to take me to get my first sale and kind of what the numbers need to look like so I can be a little more pragmatic about it. So number one, by far and away, is just not feeling like calling anyone. So I've got to keep working on that and just get comfortable with increasing my call volume every day. Um, the other thing, number two, is editing my script in real time. So as I'm talking to people and the words are coming out of my mouth, I'm kind of evaluating if that feels natural, and if it doesn't, I'll change the script in real time. So I'll pause my calling. Reviewing objections in real time. When someone gives me an objection that I can't handle, I'll post it in my Slack group to my trainer, or I'll try and figure out what I didn't say that I should have in real time and kind of stew over that a little bit. And hopefully that'll start to reduce as I get more experience. And then also, when I get an objection or something happens with someone on the phone, they hang up on me. They tell me they're too busy, or they don't want the insurance, or they've already bought insurance. I need to mark what happens in my CRM, so I need labels for each situation. So every time something new happens, I have to pause my calling and come up with a new label to disposition the call. So I start to build data on what's going on with my leads and my performance, so I can track that over time and improve. And then also, this kind of goes with number one, but there's times where I call them welcome distractions, not distractions, but I'm actually excited when someone distracts me right now because I'm still kind of learning to love this. But I'll go on a college football site and get distracted by what's happening with my favorite football team, or my wife will invite me on a walk outside, or I'll go to lunch with one of my kids. So these are great things in life, but I'm obviously using them to procrastinate. So five things that are slowing me down in summary: not feeling like calling anyone, trying to edit my script in real time instead of just waiting till I've called a bunch of people, reviewing objections in real time, having to come up with new CRM dispositions, and then the welcome distractions. So I think I've only called for 2 days so far. The first day I called like 15 people, second day 25 people. Today my goal is 50 people, and I just want to keep increasing that till I get to like 200, 300, 400, 500 calls per day.